RDA has a lot of shortage of staff. Different schemes have got different staff. And the staff which were taken around 15 years back, some of them have crossed ages. So we have nearly around 34 staff which are vacant. Entire South Goa has only one junior engineer. So we cannot do justice to all the South Goa constituencies. So we have asked for 12 junior engineers, so which he has approved 8. So we'll give 4 for each, 4 for North, 4 for South. So immediately we'll put up the file and take it on contract basis how GSIDC is working. 34 staff also will be taken to work on various schemes of central government.
Because of this shortage of staff, major development works have stopped.
100%. Work cannot be taken up. How all the MLAs were complaining to me that our estimates have not been prepared, our sanction is not happening. We have got funding from central government as well as state government. Right now we have around 9 crores with us, but we cannot take up work because there is absolutely no staff to work. See, I will see that within 1 month we will get this sanction, and in 2 months recruitment of on contract basis will happen. Because contract basis recruitment is directly with us. Because that contract basis recruitment will be for 5 years and renewable.